Welcome and what is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today I'm going to be doing just a daily update as usual. And today's the first day that the market is open because of President's Day. The market was closed on Monday. So Tuesday, today is the first day that it's open. And I'm going to be talking about what I'm trading and what I'm looking to trade and all that kind of stuff. But before we get into it, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We just hit 300 subscribers, and I want to thank you guys all for that so much. So, getting into it, the stocks that I'm currently holding are DWT, which is a crude oil ETF. It's the inverse of crude oil, meaning that if crude oil goes up, this goes down. But if crude oil goes down, this stock goes up. So, I'm planning to swing this stock. And I just have to be patient because obviously with the Robinhood charts, you can't really tell. But during my live streams, I do analyze stocks, which are on live stream, on Wednesday. I'm sorry, they're on weekends, yes. So I'm still holding DWT, for the swing trade, and I'm waiting for it to bounce back up. It's for me to take my money back from it. And I'm also holding TVIX, waiting for the huge bounce, which is hopefully going to be like previously, where it was around 50 to 55% gain from, let's say, $34 to $50 to $55. So that would be around a 50% profit. And from this amount that I have invested in it right now, that would be around $30. But I'm planning to invest more once it starts trending upwards. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm trading today. And one stock that I'm looking to buy in, maybe I can afford now, only one, would be CROX, CROX. It's been showing an uptrend pattern, and right now, if you guys can tell, it's been an uptrend pattern, and it broke above, and it's creating its own pattern, and right now, it's right at the support of the pattern, and it just bounced up from it. Like, right here, it was the support, and it just bounced up right now. So, I'm actually looking to buy this stock, possibly tomorrow. I was just chickening out when to buy it, but tomorrow I have to just be confident, buy in wait for a small pullback, like right here, market open, and I could have waited for a small pullback, bought in, and then just hold it for like a week or two, and then bam, I'd make like $5 from this one stock, which would be around 20%, which is enormous in my opinion, at least. So yeah, that's basically the stocks that I'm trading and looking to trade this week, and that's just my daily video if you guys aren't familiar with them. And if you are familiar with my challenge, I'm currently growing $200 up to $1 million. And what I need to do to achieve that goal is grow my account by 5% exponentially every single week consistently. And as you can see, this week I didn't really accomplish that goal last week. But this week I'm hoping for my stocks to come back to where they're supposed to be so I can continue heading towards my goal. So that's basically it for you guys. And if you guys aren't signed up for Robinhood yet and are looking to sign up, I have a referral link down below. So that means if you sign up using my link, then you will get a free stock. It could even be Apple, which is worth like around $170 right now. And I also receive a free stock. So it's good for the both of us. It's a win-win situation. You just use my link to sign up. You get a free stock and I get a free stock. We help each other out. So that's just going to be there in the description, and also my Discord server. I have created a Discord server, has around 50 people right now, and if you'd like to join, it's free, and I put the link in it down in the description. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week.